The seals on my front door sweep have worn out. It's time to change it. I'll start off by removing all the screws from the front side. There is a total of 5 screws. Since this door has been painted with the sweep on it, I'll use this utility knife to cut and separate the paint before attempting to remove the sweep. The right way to remove the sweep is to take the door off its hinges first, but I'm taking the risk of damaging the door, but trying to slide it off instead. I take the sweep with me to the store to try and compare it to the many different types, colors, and sizes they sell there. There's an overwhelming amount of stuff, but only 2 match my existing sweep. This one here is an all vinyl sweep, and it is designed to easily slide onto the bottom of the door. Unfortunately, the fin design at the bottom will not work for my door. There's another one that is slightly higher in cost that's made of all aluminum and is pretty much an exact match to what I previously had. The mold seems to match perfectly, however, the screws holes do not align the same way, but that's okay. The other thing I'm noticing is that the sweep that I had previously had been modified to fit my doorway. I'll simply have to transfer the same modification over to the new sweep. I cut it to the exact length and make notches using aluminum cutters. I then sand the edges of the cuts smooth so that I don't rip my fingers touching it. Again, the correct way to put the sweep onto the door is to remove the door first, but I'm risking damaging the door and forcefully sliding it in from the bottom instead. Well, after using so many different tools in the process of changing the sweep, my living room has become a pretty big mess. But the new sweep is in place and working perfectly. So please help my channel out by liking and subscribing, and thanks for watching, and good luck on your next project.